guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. I am on the way to school. Yay. But yeah, it's not too bad. Today I got stick class. Once I get home from school, I'm gonna stop at a buddy of mine and I'm gonna see if he can put the metal on the shop for us so that I can go ahead and get that done. I just don't have time to do it between going to school 5 days a week. Just all the projects I got going on around the house, from finishing the room that I added to rearranging from us being downstairs to moving upstairs to cleaning out the shed, cleaning up the garage, trying to get everything ready for winter. It's just a lot of shit you got to do, and I just don't have time to put the metal on it. And I really would like to have the metal done before it gets cold, and it's already starting to get cold. I think last night it did down to like 39 degrees with a high of maybe like 70 yesterday. So the cold weather is on the way, and I don't see myself having that much time in the near future to just get that done. So I'm going to talk to him and see about getting him up there, him and his brother up there, to finish putting the metal on the building for us, and hopefully he can get that knocked out soon, because I really would like to be out there. But on another note, once I get done doing that, I got to go to Lowe's. I got to finish getting the wood, the PL adhesive, and all that good shit so that I can get back to work on the Jeep. The sunroof delete is done. And then, let's see, what else? And the next part will be putting in the roof. I talked to Zach at Slam Panda. The battery delete, the base knob, and the RCA distribution block are being worked on right now, so those hopefully be here shortly soon. I mean, regardless if not, I mean, it'll be a couple weeks before I actually need to get those. So I mean, he's got time, but from the designs that he sent me, that it's gonna be pretty fucking legit. Like I said, it'll be orange acrylic with the design etched into it, so it's gonna be pretty badass. The door speakers are here, the tweeters are here. I think the other sub is here. And pretty much everything's here for the most part. Now it's just getting everything buckled down and knocked out. The box for the AU15s, that went out. That's a plus. So that's one out of the way. I still need to build the one for the F5 BTL. Once that one's built, I'll be getting the I'm building the box in trade for a Twisted Sounds 1.3K. It's nothing like super strong or anything like that, but it'll be enough to push the two ZVXs for now. I mean, that's a build that I'll be putting in my Jeep, or my lady's Jeep. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys when I'm leaving school and on the way home. I'm gonna drive down and listen to music. There's no copyright, don't let you do that shit. Holla at you. Alright guys, so here he comes. Pew! I need to clean my pad off. I talked to my buddy. He's going to be here Monday morning about 7 o'clock, him and his brother, and they're going to run the rest of the metal for me because I just don't have time to do it. He's going to do some work for me. I'm going to come up there and help him do some work, and we're just going to trade out work. So plus works for me. When he comes up, I've got about, I think I counted 12 more sheets of metal over there, and this is 2 rows, so 2, 4, 6. Let's see. If that's 2. We got 2. We'll say 4, 6, 8. I mean, shit, that might get us almost all the way around, which would be a hell of a plus. So it's less money I got to spend on metal, more than I could spend on other things. But that will be taken care of Monday morning. Or shit, I don't even know what day it is. That'll be taken care of Friday morning, hopefully. If not, it'll be finished up Saturday. Look at the race car. Look. It's not really a race car, it's a little shit. I'm over here getting this room cleared out. We're pulling up the carpet tomorrow when I go to Lowe's, I'm going to get some flooring. But I'm going to go in here and show you guys what we got going on. Alright, so now that we're in here, this will be the first time you guys have seen this room. This was an open porch. It had some screen. That was about it. Had some of this nasty ass outdoor carpet, but I've went ahead, walled it in, windowed it up, insulated it. We're drywalling. I've got to finish putting my insulation across the bottom. I've tapped into the existing power in this bedroom, and I'm going to run 2 sockets and then the light switch in here. This AC unit's going to come out. This window's coming out. I'm going to cut this right here, and this is going to be a doorway in. This little makeshift closet's going to come out. And this is going to be... But I've got to get all the projects done before I can make that move. I've got to take this little closet out as well. I've got to get the shop finished because all my stuff needs to go out there, because this deep freeze right here is going into the garage, and then we've got a big commercial size stand-up refrigerator and a stand-up freezer that are going to go out here. And then once that's done, we'll be able to get up into that room because all the sewing stuff will be in here. The industrial refrigerator that's in there now will be in here. So all the stuff will be cleared out, and we'll actually be able to get into a bedroom. Yeah, so tomorrow when I go to Lowe's, I've got to get some plywood because, as you can see, it's just a thin BS layer of plywood type shit down here. I'm going to end up putting another layer of plywood, and then I'm going to put some flooring on top of that, and then this window and shit's going to come out. And then it'll be time to sand, mud, sand, paint, and it will be ready to jam in this room. And then it'll be just moving stuff from one room to the other. Right now I'm pulling the carpet out. I've got to get this little makeshift BS closet out. So we're going to do a little demolition. Alright guys, well I'm losing daylight. But just like that, the room is bigger. Next, we tackle that one, which I don't know how that's going to work because I just have to figure that out when I get there. It's getting dark. I don't have lights in this room as of yet. I have the light fixture, I have bulbs, I have the wire, but I needed to get that closet out. I know it's dark and you guys can't see shit, but I needed to get that closet out so that I could frame it in this wall and drywall it and run my wires and electrical boxes and everything like that. But yeah, tomorrow when I go to Lowe's, I'll be getting some plywood put on the floors so that I can put flooring down in there. And then I'll be taking that air conditioner and window out and tying the 2 rooms together. All right, guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Today, we are unboxing another new toy, another new big kid toy that's going to make my life a lot easier as far as doing builds and making circular things. Trying to get away from having to use the jigsaw. It's just a lot neater to be able to use a router. I have Grandpa's old router over there and Grandpa's other old router right there. But neither one of those are plunge routers, and to use the circle jig attachment piece that I have over here and over there, it's just a lot easier to have a plunge router. So tonight we got a plunge router. We're gonna go ahead and get that unboxed, and we'll go over, look up, and see what we got. Alright guys, so what we have here is the contents of the Matebo HPT 2.25 horsepower fixed and plunge based router combo kit. I don't know what the hell those are. I don't really know what any of this is minus the wrenches. I think this is some kind of centering doodad. has an Allen key and some bolts or Allen head nuts, bolts, things, whatever. But I mean, it's pretty damn nice. I'm not even gonna lie. It's pretty nice. And it matches the skill saw. That was the biggest plus. But that's the fixed base. This is our plunge base. I suppose this goes down and something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna have to play with it. Maybe. Shit. I don't know. Maybe loosen that up. I don't know. I don't know. But I do have her destructions. I'll kind of give them a glance over. But I mean, all in all, it's a pretty nice little kit here. I mean, even the case. I mean, shit. Can't argue with the case. And I mean, it was on sale, and it has just as much horsepower as the rest of them that were there not on sale. So why not buy them on sale? So that's what we did. On another note, before we get to cutting some circles, as you can see, I did get the stuff for pew pew. We got all the wood we need. We got a total of, I think it's 13 sheets right there. Some of this is a few of these sheets are for the room that I'm building onto the house that I'll get showed in a later video. But that's the wood flooring for the room. There's the trim for the room. We got all the peel adhesive. We got all the foam. I'm trying to plug this in before it goes. There we go. Got all the peel adhesive. Got all the foam. You got everything else needed to get the roof done on the truck. So hopefully tomorrow. I can't do it now because it's a little frigid outside. And when it's cold like this, it's not good. So I'm going to wait till tomorrow afternoon when I get home from school. I'm going to come out here and get the roof panels cut. Get the PL adhesive to the roof. Have them wedged up there. Let them sit overnight. And then it'll be time to slap the full layer sheet on. And then we can start building walls. But hopefully next update, or not hopefully, but for sure next update will be the Jeep and the progress on the 6 NSV 412s on the 2 Crescendo 17 case. I am working on trying getting everything lined up, so I will be doing uploads every Wednesday night and every Sunday night. So Thursday morning, late Wednesday night, late Sunday night, early Monday morning, there will be an upload every week on the channel. So hopefully we can get things more organized and it not just be chaotic upload when you upload. We need to set a base of structure just so that there's something to look forward to on these same exact dates. But I'm going to go ahead and play with this kit. I'm going to let my phone charge a little bit, and then we'll cut some circles. Alright guys, so as you've seen in the unboxing, we have the Matebo HTP 2¼ horsepower plunge and fixed base router. Pretty nice, pretty nice. When I was buying the bits, I bought 2 bits. I bought a flush trim bit, and then I bought a plunge bit to go with my circle jig that is right there. I didn't pay attention to, or I grabbed the wrong one, probably just didn't pay attention to. But as you can see here on the back, everything's backwards. But C, which is the shank that goes into the router itself, is 3/8 of an inch. This router only fits 5/16 and 1/4 inch. So I have to go take that back on my way to school or from homeschool tomorrow, depending on how much time I have. Probably on the way home. And switch that one out for a 3/8 or 5/16, whichever one they have. But won't be cutting holes till tomorrow. Damn. But yeah, like I said, we have the wood for the truck. So hopefully, or not hopefully, once again, for sure, next episode, which today is now Friday, we're going to shoot for Sunday, late Sunday night, early Monday morning. There will be an upload on the Jeep. The door speakers are here. The amps for the doors are here. The switch panels and all that stuff is here. I got some stuff from Zach from Slam Panda as far as the design for everything. And that's fucking sick. So yeah, y'all be sure if you have any bass knob needs, distribution RCA needs, battery deletes, anything like that, hit up Zach at Slam Panda. He will definitely take care of you and does one hell of a job. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up right here, guys, because I can't cut any circles. So I'm gonna go ahead and just unload the truck, lock everything up, and go inside and finish my pizza. 'Cause I'm fat. But yeah, be sure to smash that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and I'll holler at you guys Sunday.